So the here the strings are like basically they support object oriented. They are actually objects that represents the sequence of values. They will always represent with the double quote. Whatever the value, if it is a number or boolean or if it is whatever the value, if it is embedded or enclosed inside the two quotes, double quotes, that is called as a string in Java. In Java, actually, the string is different, character is different. Character means only one single, I mean, alphabet,
Codes in
one alphabet with the codes. But coming to the string, it is in multiple. Characters with enclosed within the double quotes. So an array of characters work as same as an array of characters will work as same as the Java string since they are actually collection of the alphabets. So just a note it is, and also Java string can provide methods to perform operations such as length, replace, compare to, intern, and also substring, etc. Means we can able to find out the length of a string and also replace. We can be able to replace the data with the string, and we can able to compare the data with the string, and in turn we can able to do the intern with the string and also string. Yes. So like these several operations we can able to do with the string. It has its own methods. They are like this. And what is a string in Java means it is a sequence of characters. Generally, we call string it as a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. Okay, Java string is an object that represents a sequence of characters. Why we call that as an object? Since it is having key and values if we distribute it. Okay, so what is an object? Object is key and values. It is a combination of key and values. And also java.lang.string is a library. It is used to create the string object. Java.lang.string is used to create a string object. So I have here actually string s1. Okay, so which is having Java, and also creating the string by Java string literal. We are creating like this, and also string place. I am giving some Delhi. So I am also giving here a character array which is having individual characters. Okay. So and also I am mentioning here like s2 is equal to new string ch. Okay. So what it will do, it will convert all of these characters to the string. It is converting the character to the string, and also it is having string s3 new string example, creating the Java string by by new keyword, creating the Java string by the new keyword. Okay, so here new string and also of ch, which is nothing but which will get convert to the strings. Okay, this s2 value will be the strings, and also here I am going to represent this total s3 with the total example with the s3. Okay, so this will create a string by the new keyword. Okay, so this new keyword is also one of the way how we can able to create a string. No need of assigning the special variable. We can directly create this new string and string. But here what will happen is this example whatever we have, no, this example will be having a object beneath it. That object name is S3. Through this object, what can we do is we can able to apply the methods. We can able to apply the methods for the string. Okay, so let us see some of the examples. So here I have the Java string class length method finds the length of string. Java string class method actually what it will do, it will finds the length of a string. The length of the Java string is same as Unicode and units of the string. Okay, so what is a Unicode is? Unicode is universally accepted code, while any programming language is getting converted, they will be converted finally towards the UTF-8. UTF-8 is an universal standard code, so our string is also will be converted to the UTF-8 format finally. Okay, from there to the binaries. Okay, so I have taken here two strings like string s1 equal to Java, string s1 equals to equal to Python. So system dot out dot println string length is s1 dot length means 10, s2 dot length means it is 6. Okay, so here the value. Okay, mm, I think I have changed it. But 1 second, I will show you here. Let me go to the terminal. Okay. So I will share one more screen. Share here. Pro. So here, if we see, so here I'm having here one is like this is not the correct values. Okay, I will just remove this one. Okay, so here also. So first string is Java, second string is actually Python. Okay, so see the first string the length is 4. Second string the length is 6. Okay, so this is the way how we can able to display the length of a string. Since the length is a function, if you try to make it you know like this means without the function, if you try to access that, okay, so it will give you the errors. Why? Because the length is a function which is written, which is a default program written for the strings by the Java. So always we should call the length with the parenthesis. If not parenthesis, it will go and end in a error. Okay, So it will think like it is a variable. Okay. Yeah. You got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, let us move ahead with some other also. So let us give here some more things here. So I have here a string str is equal to some Java. So if the string length is greater than 0, then I am telling like string is not an empty, and it length is I am going to display the length. I am having one more string that is an empty string. So I'm going to capture here string dot length is double equal to is a comparison operator. So which are going to compare the values. Here the value of this str will become actually now space. I mean with the length is 0. Since it is a 0, the value is should be equal to 0. And yeah, since the above one is not empty, it has displayed 4, and below one is like is it is an empty, then it is actually going for the 0. I think you got it. So
Yes, sir.
so next one is like actually we can go for concat operator. So yeah, so actually concat operator is it will combine the specific strings together. Okay, so I will show. So yeah, here the actually compare operator what it will do, sorry, concatenate operator what it will do, it will combine specific string to with other string and it will give the result. It will always return the combined string. It will append the another string, but it will not override the another string, or it will not make to sit the target string in between the string. It will always append at the end of the string. Suppose you have some kind of ram, and if you want to append with some raj, it will append after the ram. Okay, after m it will append the raj. So this kind of thing is called as concatenation. So here I have one string s1 is equal to java string, and also I have here s2 is equal s2 s1 dot concat is immutable. Immutable means we can't able to change it. Okay, so yeah, here you can find here s2 s system dot out dot println. So where I have the value as s1, here the value should be java string is immutable. Okay, so next is like I can go for concat with the s1. See, I will just go ahead. Okay, so since we can't able to directly concatenate the strings, what we are doing, we are internally assigning the value, that is this one here. So I will just show you here the program. So let us delete all of this. So here if you are seeing, so I am having here some string s1, and java string is immutable, so assign it explicitly. So first first step is java string. Next step, see this one is like java java string is okay. I think this step is directly we can't able to do the assignment here. So always we have to is this whatever the value is there here. So that value we always have to put it into some other value like this. Then only we will get the updated result. we can't able to get the updated result with this approach. Why? Because this S1, whatever we have, that will be always, it should be assigned to some other variable. Then only we have to assign it explicitly to one more variable. Okay, then only we will get the output. So here I am getting S1 equal to S1 dot contact. Already we have in S1 what Java string up to here it has displayed. After that is immutable, so assign it explicitly. So how can we get this one also? Whatever this is there, no. See, we are still getting here as Java string only. We are not getting this immutable, correct? So why we are not getting this immutable means we have not assigned explicitly to some more variable. So let us think we have one more string here, and that string name is some empty. So just assign this s2 to here, and go ahead with this s2 assignment. Let me give here semicolon. Okay, now you can find Java string is immutable. That we have got it. Okay. So assigning to the explicitly is mandatory. Okay. Fine, cool. Next is like this is about concatenation. Next is like substring. So in the substring also we have like string s1 is Java is dynamic. Okay, so where I have system dot out dot println. So I am going to take out the part of the string. I am going to take out the part of string. Suppose I am having here 2 comma 4. What is meant by this 2 comma 4? 2 is the second index, 4 is the last index. So first it will start from 0, 1, 2. Means from V onwards, from the second index onwards, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be ignored. Okay, 4 will be ignored. You will get only the values till V and A. Okay, so 2 and 3 will be your output. So you will get the output here as 2 comma 4. 4 is VA. Suppose if you want to, get until the end of the string, then you can go for from which index you are going to slicing it or substringing it. Then you will get up to the end of the string. Okay. So let us see this in the compiler. So I have here like this value. Net is slow. Second. So you can find here this value. It's like, so here the first one will be the VA. The second one will be up to the end of the string. Suppose if I want from only dynamic, I want only the uh, dynamic means what I can do here. I can just go for this.
7, sir. 7 or 6, sir.
7 only
Ah,
dynamic.
okay.
Only dynamic.
So even the space is considered as an value, sir. I mean,
Correct. So place is also considered as value. So what it will happen? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? From
okay, sir.
seventh
Yes,
on,
sir.
if we give, for example, here only we can give as 7. Then this value. These are all interview questions only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So which you can, first one VA is for this, and this is for the second one. Okay. Dynamic is for the second one. Likewise, it will display the things. Okay. So next is like actually we are having here the string. Okay. So where I have uh, string s1 is equal to new hello comparison. So it will return the string from the pool. I will just it will compare uh, whether they are actually true or false. Okay, I will just show you this. Okay, so here if we are seeing like first I have taken a string s1 value which is an new object. Okay, second I'm just taking one more, that is like so first I have taken here the value new string hello. Second I am taking the value as hello. Okay, so this is a new object. This is a new object, and I'm having here one more, that is like s1 dot intern, so which will return the string from the pool. And now it will be same as it will return this s2. What it will do, it will just get the value from the pool, and it will be available, it will be same as the s2. Okay, means here s2 and s3 will become actually equal, but s1 and s2 are not equal. Why? Because this is a direct assignment, but here it is not a direct assignment. Instead, the value of this string is actually an object. Okay, it has created a new space, it has created a new address space for this hello, but here it is a direct assignment for the s2. If we want to access this one, so we should able to, I mean, again convert it to, I mean from the object we have to convert it to a plain text. Means in that case we have to go for the string name dot intern. Through the intern, now it will be same as like whatever it is like s2. Now it will be same as this s2. Okay, then only we can able to make it as true. But these two are not equal. Why? Because the first one is an object. It is under the reference of an object. It is not directly a hello. Okay, but this is a directly hello which is declared. That is why these both are actually equal. Okay, sorry, not equal. So any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, I think we are going to end up the session. So we will connect back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have only 1 minute less.